This is a jury-rigged test of my 12 volt to 6 volt step-down converter that I may end up mounting right here. And it takes this is for the power windows and the power seat, so they operate with 6 volts, even though I've converted my 55 Thunderbird to 12 volt system. So anyway, so there's a yellow wire that attaches to the positive side of the solenoid. I will change the solenoid also from 6 volt to 12 volt, although it functions fine for right now. And so I splice into that. That's both for the power windows and the power seat, into the converter, and then out. Everything is just kind of temporary, obviously, just to test it. So anyway, so that's what I've got. It's kind of a big mess right now. Cables are reversed. They'll be changed. But this is just to see if it's going to function the way I had intended. And so let's turn the ignition switch on and try the other window over there. So it works in the seat. We'll go forward and backwards. And this window here. It's up and down. So the trigger to the relays is still 12 volt, but the power to the electric motors is 6 volt. So it's working at the speed that it would originally worked at, which is nice. So I'll end up doing the motor for the heater and the radio, even though it's not working right now. And so that should get that correct. A lot of other things to do on the wiring. But that's where I'm at with using the then I'll have a different a separate I believe anyway, converter for the heater motor, and then a third one for the radio, I believe anyway. So anyway, there we go.